Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So as you know, we like to do some weird things here, some adventurous things, some complicated dishes that take hours and hours to prep. Sometimes you just want to do something a little more simple. So before, I made the crispy chicken bites, and I called those executive chicken nuggets. After all, every kid loves a chicken nugget, and most of us adults do too. But why not jazz it up a little bit? So today, we're going to go along those same lines. But this time, we're going to make cheesy garlic chicken bites. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you want. I really love the dark meat. So, we're going to take those and cut them into about chicken nugget size pieces, about an inch square. They're not all going to be the same size. Try as best you can to make them like that. Little edge off the chicken thigh. It's pretty much a square, so it's relatively easy to get most of them the same size. And we're going to throw them there in that bowl. All right, the chicken is chopped, and as you can see, that's a lot of chicken. That's about 4 pounds of chicken. Down in the description, you'll find the amounts for a normal sized recipe. Again, feeding a horde at the Galley of the Sun. That's what we do. Before we move on, let's talk. If you're liking what you're seeing, there's a button for that. It's called the like button. Hit that thing. Hit it. Then there's a subscribe button. You do that, you'll find out when we release every one of our videos. You push that bell, you'll get an alert when a new one comes out. We try and release a video every Monday and Thursday and have been 99.9% successful on that. And every once in a while, we'll throw out bonus videos. You don't want to miss those. Okay, so let's move on. Got all my chicken cut up into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to get some salt and pepper on those and get that mixed in there. I like to keep a little container of salt and pepper all mixed together, because how often do you use salt and not pepper, or pepper and not salt? Not very often. It happens, but not that often. So we'll get a good amount in there, and then we'll get this all mixed up. Then we'll set up our breading station. All right, let's do it. Simple, typical breading station. Station number 1, fleur. All-purpose fleur. Station number 2, some well-beaten chicken fetuses. Number 3, we're going to take some Panko breadcrumbs. And I immediately see that my bowl's not big enough. All right, bigger bowl. Panko breadcrumbs. You can use Parmesan cheese. That's what the recipe says. This is our magic cheese we make. It's a blend of Parmesan, Romano, Asiago, and Mistra. Get that in there. Some smoked paprika, and of course, their garlic Parmesan chicken bites, garlic powder. Get that mixed up. So pretty easily, we're going to take the boring old little piece of fried chicken nuggets, and turn it into something absolutely excellent. So now we're going to get some chicken here, get that in our flour, get those all coated. Not crowd it too much to where it's crazy. Get those in the egg wash. Get them covered on all sides. And then into our Panko Parmesan mixture. Get those all coated. Make a mess. Get them over on this tray, ready for a plunge in a 350 degree deep fryer. You can shallow fry these if you want. Make sure you turn them. Probably going to take about 2-3 minutes per side. I imagine in the deep fat fryer here, it's going to take about 5 minutes per batch. Sure, you can do this with utensils, but it's so much harder. All right, so as those are cooking, let me lay some truth on you. Yeah, I got to. Man cannot live on chicken nuggets alone. Yeah, it is tempting, but you can't do it, okay? So we're going to whip up a side dish here real quick. We're going to do some broccoli, but we're going to make it good broccoli. So, cut the flowerets off, throw the stems in a bag to throw away. All right, then go through them. Any of them that are obscenely big, more than a mouthful, we'll cut those down a little bit. Throw them onto a baking sheet. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, because Celsius, that would be hot. Got our broccoli on there. What I have here is some smoked olive oil. So you can get flavored olive oil at a ton of places. I am not able to go to a farmer's market or any kind of craft fair and not pick up a bottle. Some of my favorites are garlic infused, bacon infused, Italian herbs, basil. So we're gonna take that olive oil and drizzle it over our broccoli here. Then we're gonna get those all mixed in. Get that oil coating all the surfaces. Okay, we can tell because they're all shiny now. Then a little bit of seasoning. So we'll get some salt and pepper on them. Not too much, don't go crazy. Okay. Then I have some zesty garlic seasoning here. You can use what you want. Lowry seasoning salt, that Greek seasoning salt. Can't remember the name of it, but that stuff's incredible. Comes in a yellow container. And then I'm gonna hit it with some Parmesan cheese, or for us, our magic cheese. And then that's gonna go in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. And it's gonna be delicious. Way better than that steamed broccoli stuff. All right, got them all together. Time to give this a try. Oh. I don't know if you heard that crunch, but the Parmesan comes through, the garlic comes through. Absolutely incredible. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I gotta try the broccoli. I gotta try the broccoli. You just wait a second. I can't let you go yet. You don't know that that's good. I know that it's good because I've done it 100 times. You don't know it's good. And you can't trust the internet unless you see it. So we'll do that real quick. And then we'll say farewell. But not yet. Gonna hit our broccoli with a little bit more Parmesan because cheese. Why would we not? No. You can taste the garlic from the seasoning, the smoked flavored in the olive oil. Absolutely excellent. So, we made the garlic Parmesan chicken bites. We made broccoli exciting again. I hope you really enjoyed what you saw. I certainly enjoyed doing it. Hey, until next time, fair winds and following seas.